Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Hello.
Is this the community center?
Yes, this is the community center.
Oh, good. I am in the right place.
Yes, you are in the right place.
My name is David. What is your name?
My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you, David.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, this is my first time here. Is this your first time?
No, I come here sometimes. I like this place.
That is good. It looks like a nice place.
Yes, it is a very nice place. Very friendly.
I am glad to hear that. I am new to this area.
Oh, you are new here? Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. When did you move here?
I moved here 2 weeks ago. Just 2 weeks.
2 weeks is very recent. Very new.
Yes, everything is still new to me.
I understand. Moving is not easy.
No, moving is difficult. But I am happy to be here.
That is good. A positive attitude is important.
Yes, I try to stay positive.
Where did you live before?
I lived in a small town. A very small town.
Oh, a small town. This city must be very different.
Yes, very different. But I like the city.
The city has many things to do.
Yes, many things. I want to explore everything.
That is exciting. There is much to see here.
Do you live near here?
Yes, I live very near, just 5 minutes away.
5 minutes is very close. That is convenient.
Yes, it is very convenient. I can walk here easily.
Walking is good. I like to walk too.
Walking is healthy. Good exercise.
Yes, good exercise. Do you come here every day?
No, not every day. I come here twice a week.
Twice a week. That is nice. What do you do here?
I come to the library. The library is very good here.
Oh, there is a library here? I did not know that.
Yes, there is a library. It is on the second floor.
The second floor. I will remember that.
You should visit the library. It is very quiet and peaceful.
I love libraries. I will definitely visit.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I like reading very much. I read every day.
That is wonderful. What do you like to read?
I like reading novels. Fiction novels.
Fiction is interesting. I like fiction too.
What kind of books do you prefer?
I like mystery books, mystery and detective stories.
Mystery books are exciting. Very interesting.
Yes, they keep me curious. I want to know what happens.
I understand that feeling. The suspense is good.
Exactly. Do you like mystery books?
Sometimes. I also like adventure books.
Adventure books are fun, full of action.
Yes, full of action and excitement. What are you doing here today?
I came to look around to see what is here.
That is a good idea. It is good to explore.
Yes, I want to know this place better.
The community center has many activities.
What kind of activities?
There are classes, English classes, art classes, cooking classes.
That sounds wonderful. I'm interested in classes.
Which classes interest you?
Maybe art classes. I like art.
Art classes are very popular here. Do you take any classes?
Yes, I take a yoga class. Yoga on Wednesdays.
Yoga is good for health. Very relaxing.
Yes, very relaxing. It helps me reduce stress.
Stress reduction is important.
Yes, very important. Life can be stressful sometimes.
That is true. We all need ways to relax.
Yoga is my way to relax. What is your way?
I like to listen to music. Music relaxes me.
Music is wonderful. What kind of music do you like?
I like classical music. Very peaceful.
Classical music is beautiful, very soothing.
Yes, very soothing. Do you like music?
Yes, I like music. I like many types of music.
Music is universal. Everyone loves music.
That is true. Music connects people.
Yes, it does. Music has no language barriers.
What do you do for work, David?
I am a teacher. I teach children.
That is a noble profession. Very important.
Thank you. I enjoy teaching. What do you do?
I work in a hospital. I'm a nurse.
A nurse. That is also very important work.
Thank you. I like helping people.
Helping people is rewarding.
Yes, very rewarding. It makes me happy.
Your job must be challenging sometimes.
Yes, it is challenging, but it is worth it.
I understand. Teaching is challenging too.
Yes, I
But you
enjoy it
enjoy
very
it,
much.
right?
Children are wonderful.
Children are full of energy and curiosity.
Yes, they are. They ask many questions.
Questions are good. It means they are learning.
Exactly. I encourage questions.
You sound like a good teacher.
Thank you. That is kind of you to say.
I am just being honest.
Do you have any hobbies, Sarah?
Yes, I like gardening. I have a small garden.
Gardening is lovely. What do you grow?
I grow flowers and some vegetables.
That is wonderful. Fresh vegetables are healthy.
Yes, very healthy. And they taste better than store vegetables.
Homegrown food is always better.
I agree. Do you have any hobbies?
I like painting. I paint in my free time.
Painting is creative. What do you paint?
I paint landscapes, nature scenes.
Nature is beautiful, full of inspiration.
Yes, nature inspires me. Trees, mountains, rivers.
That sounds peaceful. Do you paint often?
I try to paint every weekend when I have time.
That is good. Hobbies are important.
Yes, hobbies give us balance in life.
Balance is very important.
Are you from this city originally?
No, I am not from here. I moved here 5 years ago.
5 years. You have been here a long time.
Yes, quite a long time now. I feel at home here.
That is good. Where are you from originally?
I am from a coastal town near the ocean.
The ocean. That must have been beautiful.
Yes, very beautiful. I miss the ocean sometimes.
Do you visit your hometown?
Yes, I visit once or twice a year.
That is nice. Family is there?
Yes, my parents live there and my brother.
Family is important. Do you miss them?
Yes, I miss them very much, especially my mother.
Mothers are special. I understand.
Yes, very special. I call her every Sunday.
That is a nice routine. Regular contact is good.
Yes, it makes both of us happy.
What made you move to this city?
My job. I got a teaching position here.
That is a good reason. Career is important.
Yes, it was a good opportunity. I could not refuse.
Opportunities are important. You made the right choice.
I hope so. Time will tell.
Be patient. Give it time.
Yes, I will be patient. Thank you for the advice.
You are welcome. We all need encouragement sometimes.
That is true. You are very kind.
Thank you. You are kind too. It is nice to meet friendly people.
Yes, it makes life easier.
Do you know many people here at the community center?
Yes, I know several people, regular visitors.
That is nice. A sense of community.
Yes, people here are friendly. You will make friends easily.
I hope so. I would like to make friends.
Just be yourself. Be friendly and open.
That is good advice. I will try my best.
You are already doing well. You started talking to me.
Yes, you seemed friendly and approachable.
Thank you. I try to be friendly to everyone.
That is a good quality. The world needs more friendly people.
I agree. Kindness is important.
What is your favorite thing about this city?
I like the parks. There are many beautiful parks here.
Parks are nice. Green spaces are important.
Yes, they give us a break from the busy city.
I like parks too. Are they close to here?
Yes, there is a park just 2 blocks away.
2 blocks. Very close. What is it called?
It is called Riverside Park. Very popular.
Riverside Park. I will remember that. Is it expensive?
Not too expensive. Medium price. Good value.
Good value is important. Thank you for the recommendation.
You are welcome. I hope you enjoy it.
Maybe I will go there this weekend.
That is a good plan. Weekends are for enjoying.
Yes, I need to relax on weekends.
We all do. Work is tiring.
Yes, by Friday, I am always tired.
Me too. Friday evening is relief time.
Relief time. That is a good name for it.
Do you have plans for this weekend?
Not yet. Maybe explore the city more?
Exploring is good. You will learn more about your new home.
Yes, I want to feel comfortable here.
Give it time. Soon, this will feel like home.
I hope so. Thank you for your encouragement.
Always happy to help.
You have been very helpful today.
I am glad. It is nice to help someone new.
You made me feel welcome.
That makes me happy. Welcome is important.
Do you like movies, Sarah?
Yes, I like movies. I watch movies often.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like drama and comedy. What about you?
I like adventure movies and documentaries.
Documentaries are educational. You learn from them.
Yes, I like learning new things.
Learning is lifelong. We never stop learning.
That is true. Every day we learn something.
Even from simple conversations like this.
Yes, I am learning about this community from you.
And I am learning about you too.
Conversations are exchanges. We both benefit.
Exactly. Communication is important.
Very important. It connects us.
Are you good with technology?
I'm okay. Not an expert, but I manage.
Me too. Technology changes so fast.
Yes, very fast. Hard to keep up sometimes.
But we try our best.
That is all we can do.
Do you use social media?
A little bit. Not very much. Do you?
Yes, I use it to keep in touch with friends.
That is a good use. Staying connected.
Yes, especially with friends far away.
Technology helps with distance.
Very much.
That
The
is
world
true.
feels smaller
We
now.
can talk to anyone, anywhere.
Amazing when you think about it.
What is the time now?
Let me check. It is 11:15.
11:15 already. Time passes quickly.
Yes, when conversation is good, time flies.
This has been a very nice conversation.
I agree. I enjoyed talking with you, David.
I enjoyed it too, Sarah. Thank you for your time.
You are very welcome. Will you come here again?
Yes, definitely. I want to explore the library.
Good. Maybe we will meet again.
I would like that. That would be nice.
If you need any help or advice, feel free to ask.
Thank you. That is very kind. I appreciate it.
Neighbors should help each other.
Yes, community is about helping.
Exactly. We are all in this together.
I am glad I met you today.
Me too. First meetings are special.
Yes, they are. This was a good first meeting.
The beginning of a new friendship, perhaps.
Perhaps. I hope so.
I hope so too.
I should go now. I have some errands to do.
Of course. Do not let me keep you.
You did not keep me. I enjoyed our talk.
Me too. Take care, David.
Take care, Sarah. See you soon.
See you soon. Have a good day.
You too. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.